In this short video, I will go over how to upload your small group instruction plans into Slinky. So once you are logged into Slinky, from your blue menu on the left, you will select Small Group Instruction. From here, you will select the small briefcase next to the dates that you are uploading your lesson plan for. Of this video, I will select a past date, but you will select the current date that the lesson is for. After clicking the suitcase, you will get a pop-up window that looks like this. At the top, you will change method to use online template. You will change status to ready for review. And then you will enter your start and end dates. There's maybe a time where your lesson will span more than a day, and so that's where your end date comes in. You will leave the feedback box blank and then click the blue Use Current Student Groups button. This will then populate your students into the student group. Most, if not all, students will fall into one category because they all pretty much assess the same. If you want to change the student groups, you just hover over the group and select the pencil, and then you will be able to edit the groups as you see fit. The next button you will click would be the orange Choose Title from Springboard Library button. From this list, you will select the book title that you will be using for the guided reading lesson or shared reading lesson. So I am going to select Let's Talk Soccer. Once I have selected a book, most of the other fields will automatically fill in the title of the book, a summary of the book, any words that you may need to highlight prior to or during reading, and then some possible discussion questions, as well as the level of the book. The next thing that you will need to enter is the objective category, which you hover over the space and select the pencil. You will select the category that most aligns to the action plans that we have created for your students. So if we are going to use, let's say, using known words, we then select a reading objective from the drop-down menu and select the reading objective that most closely aligns to what we have set up for our students. So if one of their goals is to be able to read, let's say, be able to segment words like some of the kindergartners and pre-K students are working on, then you may want to choose, you'll have to choose an objective that most closely aligns to that. But you want to read over your objectives, select the objective that most closely aligns to the action plan, and then you will enter any planning notes and then scroll back up to the top and hit save. I will not save this one, but that is how you save your guided or shared reading lesson plan in Slinky. If you have any questions, just let me know.